Right, welcome to Beyond Soup, where I put up all sorts of stuff. Today we have another vintage item. This is a Peavey M-3000 power amplifier. I just wanted to show you how this unit is functioning and provide you with a quick demo of music playing through it. We'll even look at the inside of this unit as well as provide some quick specs on it. Anyway, let's go ahead and turn it on, play some music through it. All right, these amplifiers were built in 1982. It is rack mountable, and you've got a built-in compressor. You can defeat it by just pulling the knob or pushing the knob when you want it to turn on. You've got your LEDs over here, and then you've got a simple power switch. So let's go ahead and check out the inside of this thing. We'll pull it out and check this thing out. It's got forced air induction, so it's got a fan that cools the component inside. You've got a large transformer. It's got large capacitors there, so your transitions are smooth, and all your components are towards the back, towards the heat sink here to cool it off. You've got your input and output on the right side. Again, just a quick look at the inside of this thing. And here's a look at the back of this thing. Again, there's just a heat sink here, and then your inputs and outputs there, and your fuse. So it's a fairly simple amplifier. Again, built in 1982. As far as specs goes, this thing is 300 watts of power at 2 ohms and 210 watts of power at 4 ohms. It's got a frequency response of 10 hertz to 30 kilohertz at 4 ohms, and a total harmonic distortion at 1%. It's got a hum noise ratio of greater than 90 dB. You could put a load of 2 ohms, up to 2 ohms, so you can hook up a couple of speakers to it with lower impedance. It's got an input sensitivity of 1 volt. So that's pretty much what I wanted to show you on this unit, and it's working nicely. It does have some wear marks, mostly on top here. Again, I took the liberty of taking out the The top, it's got 9 screws, 5 in the back and 4 on each side, just to show you the inside of this amplifier. Alright, as far as size goes, this thing is, let's see here, approximately 19 inches wide. The inside of it is about 17 inches wide. It's around 10 inches deep, and then about like 5.5 inches tall. This thing is pretty beefy in size, but it is a cool unit. Again, vintage item built in 1982. So basically, that's really what I wanted to show you. And I hope you enjoyed that video, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up and possibly join the channel. That's Beyond Soup, where I put up all sorts of stuff. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video.